Okay, so I wanted to show you a really cool mod that I did. This is the air intake box on the Land Cruiser. But this right here, it's a 4-inch deck plate that you buy for boats, and you screw it into the deck and you get a little porthole so you can put your stuff. But all you do is just Dremel out on the front where the best airflow is, your circle, and then you screw in your deck plate. And the cool thing is when you're daily driving or whatnot, you get a little bit more horsepower and a little bit more power band, and it gets a little bit more economy. But the other cool thing for off-road is when there's rain, snow, or mud or something, you just screw the deck plate in. And there you go. And then you got a stock enclosed air box. And the cool thing about it, it looks pretty good. It almost looks like it's something that would be stock. But yeah, it's cheap. It costs $10 on Amazon.